everybody, watch me tie these fine beautiful styles. They are just freestyles you can tie anytime, maybe going to church, party, anywhere. Just watch and enjoy. I actually tied the two styles using no pin. I mean, I did not use any pin. So watch and enjoy the video, and please don't forget to give the video a big like. Hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe and watch my other videos. I'll be putting links to my other Gele videos in the description box below, so go check them out and watch them. Thank you. Enjoy.